quick video update on a bicycle flip that I just updated on YouTube that I found on Facebook Marketplace. This exact bike, I just did a video that I bought it from a motivated seller in a very rich part of town, and I bought it for just $100. And here's how the bike looks like after I washed it, and it hardly had any miles on it. And I posted it on my Facebook groups because whoever downloads the new my flipping bicycle books, you also get free coaching. So I post on there and I answer every and all your questions. And here's what I did with this bike. I bought it for $100. I sold it for $440, guys. So again, I bought it for $100 and I flipped that bicycle for $440, and it only took me 3 days. Now I could have sold this bike in 24 hours or less for $350, but I didn't want to. But normally I sell bikes in warp speed because I like to just move it and use the velocity of money to grow my money versus holding on to them. But on this bike, it was such a great shaped bike that I said, you know what, I'm just going to wait 3 days to get my extra $100, and that's what I got. So again, I bought this bike. It was a 2021 Haro for $100 on Facebook Marketplace from a motivated seller that was moving out of the country. All I did to it was wash it and write a good description and take great pictures. In my book, I give you the descriptions you should use. I also have video training on how to take pictures, and I also show you what bikes to buy, what sizes to buy, what bikes to avoid. Everything you need is a copy and paste system. On top of that, I'm so confident that my course works, and I want to back it up. So I give you a lifetime free coaching. Any questions you may have, because I want you to win, because I want to provide value. I want you to stack your cheese. I want you to be your dreams without the bankers, without stinky money. And I'm backing it up not by just words, by actions, by providing free coaching to all my members. So here's another deal that another student got, and I think he paid $150 for this one, and he's going to flip it for $400, maybe more. Okay, so other students are doing deals. If you want to have the best side hustle, all you need is $100. You need to download my book and then take action. All you need after that is just that computer, internet access, and motivation to find deals. It's a copy and paste system. You don't have to talk to sellers. It's just copy and paste and messaging them. And I even provide you my offer letters, copy and paste. It's a very, very simple business. You don't have to have experience. You do not need to fix these bikes. You do not need to do any repairs. Again, you do not. I don't do any repairs. I sell them as is, and I show you exactly how to do it in my course, what brands to buy, what sizes to buy, how to do the ads. I mean, guys, it's a turnkey solution. I normally charge $1,500 for this course, but you can now get it for just $199, just $200. You can get downloaded for $200. You get the coaching. It's unbelievable. I want to change your life because I want to show you how powerful my educational courses are. That's why I'm basically giving it to you for free. That's why I'm going to hold your hand, look over your shoulder, and make sure you win, because I want to help you be your dreams on the next step up of real estate investing. Don't take no for an answer. Always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Romy.